It came! Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melinda Brooke. For those of you who are new, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so happy you did because I'm really excited for today's video, and I know I say that in literally every single video, but I'm so excited, like I literally don't even have words. I today am bringing you a this bag looks like this box looks like a catastrophe, but it's a handbag unboxing. Now I'll get into why the box looks like it's been through hell and back, but today is not just any handbag unboxing, but it is a luxury inspired handbag unboxing. Which luxury bag exactly? The Hermes Birkin bag. Guys, I'm so excited. I literally got a text from my mom of a video of the box arriving while I was at work and just did not, like, I could not hold my excitement, and I couldn't wait to get home, start filming, and unbox it for you. I haven't seen it yet, clearly, as you can tell, but I wanted to share this moment with you because if it's a success, I want to be able to tell you guys about it and where you can get it, all about it, the website, everything like that. That way, if you guys want one yourself, you can go get it. But if it's a fail, I need someone to cry with. You know what I mean? Like, I need a shoulder to lean on. So I figured, let's do it together, okay? Let's see if this was worth my money. Make sure if you end up liking this video, you give it a big thumbs up. I'll make sure to link everything down in the description box below in case after you guys see the video, if you decide you want to invest, you can. And make sure that if you guys want, you can hit that subscribe button to come join my big, crazy family. I post 2 videos a week, one on Tuesday and one on Fashion Friday. But with that all being said, let's cue the intro music and get into the video. Hey, oh yeah. I do want to quickly say that this is not a dupe, it's not a fake, it is solely a Birkin inspired bag. Now a lot of people won't see the difference because they might see the bag, and if it turns out to be a success, they're gonna say it literally looks exactly like a Birkin. But the difference is that this bag doesn't have Hermes anywhere on it. It's not claiming to be a Hermes. It's solely inspired by the Hermes Birkin design. Whereas a fake or a dupe, it'll try to say Hermes where the Birkin has Hermes Birkin. It'll try to have all of the little like detailing that Hermes would have because it's trying to convince other people that it is a Hermes bag, a real bag. I know that a lot of people can't afford them. I mean, I know I have some, but they're also like big purchased items that I bought for myself. So it's not like I have luxury bags just on the reg because I'm balling out. No, honey, like I understand a lot of people want them but can't afford them, so they go for dupes or for fakes. And I used to be that person. I used to do it. I've owned a couple, but I've stopped ever since I did some research and found out kind of where your money goes when you're buying a fake or a dupe, but also because of the fact that fakes and dupes tarnish the brand that they are trying to pretend to be. I honestly love fashion. It is one of my major passions, and especially when it comes to like luxury brands, I know that it's expensive, but you also have to understand that you're paying for the art of that brand. So like a Hermes Birkin bag, for example, literally cost anywhere between 10 grand to $500,000, which I know is completely absurd, but at the same time, it could take them 50 hours to make one Birkin bag. And it's just like, there's so much hard work. It's literally art what they're doing when they make these bags and these luxury goods. So I understand why the price is so high. It's just like paying for an art piece. If you are a person who is for fakes and dupes, I am not throwing any shade. I'm not saying that you're a bad person, nothing like that. I'm solely just saying that I personally don't support that because of the information I found. I'm just laying this out there in case this video just happens to like blow up. Not that it, I mean, I don't know, it could, but I mean, other videos haven't, so I'm not like thinking it's going to, but just in case, I want that to be out there for the public. Anyway, moving on. Okay, now that all that is over, it's time for the unboxing. So the bag, I'll start off by saying that I got the bag from this site. It's called handbagcrafts.com or craft.com. I'll put it right here. I'll also link it below for you guys. And I was very hesitant about buying from them because of the fact that, you know, I didn't want it to be a scam. I didn't want to waste my money. And the bag isn't like it's super cheap. It's not like it was $20, $40, something like that. The bag cost me $167.45, not including tax or shipping fee, but then I did get a discount because I used a code from a girl's YouTube video that I saw. Now, I did a lot of research, as you can tell, because I saw a YouTube video and I got a discount. And there wasn't a lot, but there was a good amount for me to try and, you know, invest something for you guys in order to see if it's worth it or not. So this video is not sponsored by them. It's not, I don't have a thing with them, nothing like that. So this is gonna be my honest opinion on the bag and whether or not it's worth it. So the box looks like this. Like literally this is how it came. Like it was a wreck. Do keep in mind it did come from London, but you know, coronavirus, maybe it got a little wrecked in the shipment. But you open the box and it's not a box or anything, it's just wrapped in this little tissue paper that says like the hand craft, it has their logo, so it says handbag craft. It comes with this little card, cute. The bag feels sturdy in my hand. Oh my god, I'm so freaking nervous. They got me. Okay, so it's literally wrapped, I guess, in a dust bag. I genuinely thought I was just gonna like reveal it right there. I was so nervous. And it does come in this dust bag, which is really nice. I mean, it's not like anything crazy, it's just a plain dust bag, but they also gave me 2 scarves to wrap around the bag. That is so unexpected. Wow. This is looking great. I really hope the bag doesn't suck. Holy crap. I could wear these in my hair. Look at how cute. Okay. They're really killing me here with all this packaging. I like that it's really well packaged because I feel like the bag's being protected. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go take all the stuff off and I'll be back. Oh my god, I have nails. This is really hard. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, I cursed. I'm sorry. Holy crap, I can't get this plastic off the centerpiece because I have nails and I can't do anything with them. Mom, can you come help me? Oh my god, guys, it's so nice. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. It's like, it's beautiful. Oh my god, it's so nice. Okay, let's dive right in. So I took everything off. It was so well like packaged, which was really nice. All of the like little gold pieces, like any of the gold hardware had this plastic on it so that it didn't like ruin or cuff or anything like that. The bag literally has the feet. It looks, wow. It came with this little felt that sits kind of on the inside, and that's so that the leather doesn't like get ruined or anything when it's sitting if you're not using it, which is so nice to have. The Hermes actually comes with that as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna talk a little bit about the bag so that you guys can get an idea of what it is in case you don't know. And then I'll go into depth about like what type of bag this is online, the size and everything like that, and the exact cost. So this is the way it looks. It's black. This is like faux leather, I believe. I don't know, it feels so good. Like, it's very well structured. The bottom's a little soft, but I do know that with the Hermes bags, if you do put a lot in them, the bottom starts to sag as well. So maybe I'll buy like a little protectant underneath to kind of keep it stiff so that it doesn't lose its shape. But the bag is really nicely well made. This is what it looks like when you come close. I got mine with the gold hardware. They do have both gold and silver online, so you can check that out if you decide. But when you want to unlock it, you just twist this little thing and you pull off like little handles, and then you lift this part up and that's how it opens. And then when you open it up, you have a, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this, but you have a zipper in the back here, which is so nice. Oh wow, even the inside's leather. That's great. And then you have a pocket on this side as well. And then it's just like open, and like it's huge. Oh, okay, anyway. So that's what it looks like. I mean, it does expand on the side, so it does get to be really big if you need it to be. But for the most part, I'll probably be wearing it like this just because I don't really put a lot in my bags anyway. It looks like I'm speechless. It's so nice. Okay, so for those of you wondering, again, I got this bag on handbagcraft.com. I will link it down below along with all the details as well for you guys if you do want to check it out and invest. This is called the Erin bag. That's E-R-I-N, Erin. And this is in the size 30. The brand, or like the store, is from London. This was shipped from the UK. I don't know if it's London, but it's definitely the UK. So it did take like almost 2 weeks to get here. I think it was exactly like a week and a half. Like probably exactly a week and a half to get here, which isn't bad because it could take longer, so I'm happy it didn't. And they do recommend that it does take about that long, which is great. It did ship really fast out of their warehouse in the UK. I think it shipped like 2 days after I had placed my order, and I placed my order at night, so it was more like a day and a half, which is really awesome. I was so torn between the 25 and the 30 because I wanted it to be small. So I did end up going with the 30, and that was kind of because of the price. So let me explain. For price comparison, the Erin 25 with gold hardware is $164.45 before tax and shipping. Now the Erin 30 with gold hardware, what I got, is $178.16 before tax and shipping. So to me, to pay the like little extra money and get a bigger bag made sense. But I kind of wanted this to be like a little travel bag as well. So if I did want to travel with it, I could fit a bunch of stuff in here that I probably couldn't fit in the 25. Plus I could fit like a water bottle in here, so if I am overseas or traveling and I want to wear it as my travel bag, I can have like my water bottle in here, all that good stuff. It also comes with the crossbody, which is great. I'm gonna have to see what it looks like crossbody wise, and I'll show you guys, but that'll also be awesome. I love that I got it in black. Okay, I have so many black bags, but I love that I got it in black because for like my first bag, I didn't want to like risk it with like a bold color. They do have so many color options. They also have the option to get a pink inside instead of a black inside, and I don't think the price actually changes for those. We will have to see how it holds up, so I will do a follow-up like review to tell you guys about like pros and cons of the bag, how it holds up, everything it fits, everything like that. But for the most part, this baby is a solid. I 100% am going to recommend. I think it's great, especially if you're into like this type of bag. If you're into designer bags but just can't ball on a budget on a Hermes bag, this is a really good alternative for your wardrobe. And I'm in love with it. It's so cute. I literally want the like smaller size like to be my date bag. Like I need to invest in the smaller size to be my date bag. And the fact that I have this up right now, I need to close it because I'm gonna go buy it. Anyway, now I'm just gonna shut up because I feel like I'm just repeating myself, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like compared to my body. I'm 5'5" and weigh about 140 pounds. So if that gives you guys kind of an idea what it would look like on you. Remember, this is the size 30. So this is what the bag looks like around my body. So this is the bag on its longest strap. This is the bag on its shortest strap. I would say that for me personally, in my likes and like what I prefer, sorry, I feel really small. I think that this bag just looks too big on me crossbody and like on the shoulder. I think that it was made, it's like the perfect size for me to hold as a like handle bag, but I think it's too big for me to wear it as a crossbody. I think that the 25 would be a very cute handle bag for like a date night where you don't need a lot of stuff, but would also look really cute if I want to wear it as a crossbody bag for when I'm traveling or anything like that. So the odds of me investing in these in like an errand bag but size 25 is like out of 100%, probably like 100%. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll probably do another video on that as well. So let me know down in the comments below, if you guys check it out, what color you think I should get the size 25 in. Remember, it is going to be for a date night bag. And every color in my closet is basically black, white, gray, and tan. So what color do you guys think I should get? Let me know down in the comments below. That'll be great. So yeah, that's it for this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed opening the box. I mean, I'm obsessed with this bag for right now. I hope it holds up and doesn't let me down. Because if it lets me down, I'm gonna be so disappointed because I'm on such a high with this bag right now. Wow, I like can't even. So I'm so happy I got this bag. I'm happy I could share it with you guys. I can't wait to let you guys know how it does in a couple weeks, so be on the lookout for that video. Again, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn your bell notifications so that you don't miss out on that video. It's definitely coming to you soon. Wink, wink. I can't believe I just said wink, wink while I winked. Also, I can't wink. Look at this TikTok. Tell me if I can wink. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, that's it for today's video. So make sure if you guys liked it, you give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Or in a couple weeks when you come back to see my review on this bag. Don't let me down. Okay, bye.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot, cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that, cooking up dope in the crock pot, we came from nothing.